In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SSL in Hostinger. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Hostinger website. You will see a welcoming homepage that emphasizes the opportunity to bring your idea online with a website. Once the page loads, take a moment to locate the My Account section. This is usually marked clearly at the top of the page and serves as your gateway to managing your website settings and profile information. After accessing your account area, you will be guided to navigate to the home section within the Hostinger control panel. This homepage provides an overview of all available options and settings, ensuring you have a clear understanding of your website's management tools. The home area is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to quickly access the features you need. Next, focus on the Websites section. When you click on this part of the control panel, you will find a list of all the websites registered under your account. This section is particularly useful for users who manage multiple websites, as it neatly organizes them in one convenient location. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as it offers a snapshot of each site's status and available actions. Within the website section, you should then locate and click on the website lists option. This step enables you to see an organized list of your website domains. It is here that you can verify which website you want to secure with an SSL certificate. The clear presentation of this list is designed to simplify the process so you can confidently select the appropriate website for further modifications. Once you have identified your website from the list, the next step is to click on the dashboard option. The dashboard is your control center for that specific website. It consolidates various settings and features that you can adjust, making it the ideal place to manage security settings and other configurations. In the dashboard, search for the security section. This is a dedicated area that focuses on protecting your website by managing important security features, including SSL certification. By clicking on security, you are directed to a page specifically set up to help safeguard your website with advanced security measures. Within the security area, locate and click on the SSL option. This step takes you to the segment of the control panel that is dedicated to managing SSL certificates, an essential component for encrypting data transferred between your website and its visitors. Enabled SSL not only establishes user trust, but also meets modern browser requirements for secure connections. Finally, once you are on the SSL settings page, click on Install SSL. At this point, you might notice references to ns1.hostgator.com and ns2.hostgator.com. These names are provided to indicate the servers responsible for handling the SSL installation process. Following the prompts to install SSL will commence the process of securing your website with encryption. By following these detailed steps, you can quickly enable an SSL certificate on your website through Hostinger. This process enhances your website's security by protecting sensitive data and ensuring safe communication between your site and its visitors. It is an efficient method designed for users of varying technical experience levels, making it accessible even for beginners. Remember to periodically check your security settings to ensure that your website remains protected. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your online presence is secured and your visitors are safe.